you didn't say, don't come. All I'm saying, if you are calling, thank me, because I'm here to protect you. You have never told Nigerians, don't come to Edo, and you won't do that. So, Governor, you are right. If the man said he won't listen to you, it's okay. You've done your own work. This is not where a presidential candidate will be carried to serve food. No. And you know, this is pretense. When he was governor, was he serving food? No. Now because election is coming, I want to serve.